Today's meditation is called the raindrops. Let's take a few moments to settle in and relax together. Find a comfortable position. Let your feet rest gently on the floor. Feel the back of the chair supporting you. Your palms gently rested on your thighs. Take a deep breath in, filling your chest completely. Release it slowly. Taking another breath, imagine the air flowing from your toes all the way up to the crown of your head. Pause, and as you release your breath, let your shoulders drop. Soften the muscles in your face. Feel your jaw unclench, your brow smooth. Breathe in again and out slowly, calmly. Now gently close your eyes. Begin to disconnect from the sounds around you. You can hear them, but let them drift past like clouds in the sky. This is your moment. Stay with your breath, steady, warm, comforting. Now picture yourself in a cozy room, a space that feels safe and familiar. The sofa beneath you is soft and inviting. As you sink into the cushions, you feel embraced, like being wrapped in a thick, fluffy blanket. There's a sense of warmth, of being held, of belonging. Outside, the world is dressed in autumn. The sky is heavy with deep grey clouds, and rain falls steadily. But inside, you are warm and dry. That contrast brings comfort, a gentle reminder that you are safe. You glance towards the window. Raindrops scatter across the glass, creating delicate patterns, like tiny rivers weaving and merging. You hear the rhythm of the rain, soft, steady, soothing. The wind hums behind it, a quiet harmony. Take a moment to focus on that sound, the pitter-patter of droplets, the whisper of wind. And in the distance, trees sway gently, moving in time with nature's orchestra. Everything outside is connected, flowing together in this rainy moment. You find yourself choosing one raindrop on the glass. You watch as it begins to glide downwards. Slowly, gracefully it moves, then meets another drop and changes course. You think about moments in your life when you've changed direction, sometimes by chance, sometimes with the help of others. Quiet shifts and moments that shape your path. Your raindrop slows, surrounded by many others. The way forward isn't clear. But then you notice another drop, gathering speed, racing towards the bottom. You smile, cheering it on slightly. It makes it. Sometimes focusing on one small thing, one raindrop, one task, helps us quiet the noise and find momentum. Completing the little things gives us energy for the bigger things. More raindrops begin to move, gliding smoothly to the bottom. What once seemed crowded now feels like a graceful dance. The window becomes alive with motion, each drop finding its way. Sinking deeper into your cushions, you feel the softness beneath you and listen again to the rain. Though the sky is dark, the rain brings life, nourishing trees, replenishing the earth after summer's heat. Nature is refueling, preparing for growth. Next time you feel frustrated by rain, pause. Notice its rhythm, its purpose, its quiet beauty. Life can be overwhelming, noisy and busy. But when we find simplicity, when we choose one focus, one raindrop, we find calm and joy. Now gently return to yourself. Leave the cozy room and the sound of the rain. Once again, feel your feet on the floor. Wiggle your fingers. Take a deep breath in, releasing it slowly. And slowly start to open your eyes. I wish you a calm day, whatever the weather. From my heart to yours, Namaste.